So when I look at 7 raised to the 1/5 times 49 to the 7/5, immediately I think to myself, 7 squared is equal to 49. So immediately I'm going to replace 49 with 7 squared. Why? Because that gives me the same base. You'll see why I did that in a second. But I'm going to say 7 raised to the 1/5 times 7 squared raised to the 7/5. Now what can I do? What do I need to do with this power and this power? If I'm raising a power to a power, what do I do? Do I add them or do I multiply them? Multiply them. So over here, I'm going to think, okay, 2 over 1 times 7 over 5. You just multiply straight across. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 times 5 is 5. So this whole thing becomes 17, or not 17, 7 raised to the 14 over 5. Everything else kind of stays the same. But now, because I have the same base, which is 7, what do I do with the powers now? Well, I add them up, right? So I'm going to take 1/5 and I'm going to add that to 14/5. So I'm going to say 1 over 5 plus 14 over 5. Why did I say 15? What's that going to equal? Well, when I say 1/5 plus 14, what's 1 plus 14? 15. What's 15 over 5? 3. 15 divided by 3 reduces, or 15 divided by 5 reduces down to 3. So this is really 7 raised to the 3rd power. So that's one possible scenario. Now, sometimes you'll be asked to evaluate that. So to evaluate that, what is 7 times 7 times 7? Well, 7 times 7 is 49. Times 7 again is 343. So this 343 is the same as this, and that is the same as all of this stuff up here. In other words, I started with this, I did a bunch of math, got it to equal this, and that's the same as this. Okay? And you might think, why did you do the same problem 3 different ways? Well, on the SAT, they might have you write it one way or the other way, and you need to know all